Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to add the Thanks integration into organizations' Microsoft Teams. Thanks installation to Microsoft Teams is fast and simple. The Office 365 admin can install the integration at company level for all MS Teams users in your organization. However, the app installation is also applicable to individual users once the admin chooses the respective policy. Let's first explore the installation process by an Office 365 admin. Now, the admin can install the app from the Microsoft Store without any dependency on the Thanks team. This is the Microsoft Admin Center. From the left menu bar, click on the tab Teams. Once selected, you will be taken to the Microsoft Teams dashboard of the Admin Center. Once you see this page, click on Teams app and select Set up Policies from the drop-down list. You can use the global, organization-wide default policy, or you could create custom policies and assign them to a set of users. Next thing is once you have selected a policy, click on Add Apps button in the Installed Apps section. Search for Thanks and click on Add. Alright, great! You have now added Thanks to your Microsoft Teams application. Now, in order to pin Thanks in the Teams app navigation bar, just click on Add Apps in the Pinned Apps section. From there, search for Thanks and click the Add button. Great job! Thanks will now be visible on your Microsoft Teams application in the Pinned Apps section. From there, just hit Save and your Thanks application will get added to Teams for all users in just a few hours. Now let's move on to webhooks. Incoming webhook connectors are used to post Thanks notifications in a Teams channel for activities like Appreciate, Wish, and Nomination. This is a one-time setup that is done by an admin. To view notifications in the Microsoft Teams channel, log into your Teams account and click on the Teams icon as seen in the left menu bar. Select the Teams channel you want to connect with Thanks, and click on Connectors, search for Thanks, and click on Configure from the Thanks Connector pop-up window. From the Thanks configuration page, copy the configuration webhook URL. The webhook configuration URL that we copied needs to get added to Thanks Web Portal. The next step will be to open the Thanks application on a web browser and select MS Teams from Integrations tab. Click on Configure Now and paste the webhook URL link in the connector section, and then hit Save. And once Thanks Connector is configured, the notifications will now be seen in your Teams channel for Appreciation, Wish, and Nomination activities. Nicely done! Now that we have configured, let's see how this looks. Let's go to the General channel where you have configured Thanks. Looks great! As you can see, you've got your entire Thanks feed seen on Microsoft Teams. Now let's move on to user installation. We're going to explore how a user can install the Thanks plugin to their Microsoft Teams. For starters, log into your Teams account and click on the app's icon in the left menu bar. Search for Thanks and click on Add. It is a single sign-on, and with your Microsoft account, you will be able to access the Thanks platform. And that's all there is to it. Now just pin the app to your personal tab for quick access. Employees can now experience the complete platform features of Thanks without ever having to leave Microsoft Teams. The user is able to have access to all the recognition features along with all the engagement features as seen here. The admin will also get to set up the platform and view analytics and reports and download them from there. Another thing is that Thanks has developed powerful bots on Microsoft Teams that lets employees appreciate great work without having to leave the workflow. You could get access to all the recognition features as well as manage your notifications with TeamsBot. And that's not all. You can now find quick links to route to appreciate your colleagues from anywhere on Microsoft Teams. This has been a quick tour of Thanks integration to Microsoft Teams. Thanks for joining me.